Dear students, question number 64 and 65, they are very conceptual questions from topic of plastic analysis from subject of steel structures. So let's talk about them one by one. In this linked data questions, one portal frame is given such that leg AB and CD, they are having moment capacity of MP and beam BC is having moment capacity of 2 MP and load of 4 P is acting. In question number 64, it is asked that what is the value of P in terms of MP and L. So let's see that how this structure will behave at the point of collapse under plastic analysis. Now one plastic hinge will be formed directly under the load, that is point load which is acting here. Hence if we write down the equation or virtual, that is work done external is equal to work done internal. For internal work we have MP into theta plus 2 MP into 2 theta plus MP into theta. Now students may confuse that why we are using MP if this member BC is having moment capacity as 2 MP, because at point C lesser of the two members that are intersecting will be deciding moment capacity, and it should be just by simple common sense lesser of the two values will be the ultimate load carrying capacity. So here we are measuring that load carrying capacity in terms of moments. That's why we are using MP into theta plus MP into theta plus 2 MP into 2 theta. This is theta 1 plus theta 2. Now since it is acting at midpoint, this theta 1 is equal to theta 2. So MP into theta plus 2 MP into 2 theta plus MP into theta will be 6 MP theta, and this should be equal to external work, where external work is delta multiplied by load, that is 4P into delta. Now this delta will be theta into L by 2 for very small theta, since theta is very small. That's why we have written tan theta approximately equal to theta. This gives us value of P as 3 MP upon L. Mind it, in the question 4P is not asked, it is just asked that what should be the value of P, hence it is 3 MP by L, making D as the correct choice. Thank you.